Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. Sally in the house. Lizzie coming first today. Welcome, everybody. So today we trading Netflix. What a day yesterday was, man. We have a huge earnings for Netflix. That's why it's jumping right now. Bonjour, mon ami, George. Good morning, brother. How are you doing? Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Okay, let's get right to it, guys. Good morning, everybody tuning in. How's everybody doing? Yeah, bonjour. Bitcoin going up or down? Bitcoin is undecided right now. The most important thing is now holding over the 95K. So Netflix, guys, yesterday we discussed Netflix here on our swing trade hunt. Yesterday, guys, before the market closed by 30 minutes, we suggest an entry for Netflix before the earnings. And of course, the earnings were fantastic. Now we got some people talking about Netflix. We got okay, social media here as a protected is yesterday 1K per share as oh man, everybody talking about Netflix hitting the 1K. 1K guys hitting the 1K in the pre-market after huge earnings. Everybody tuning in to Netflix. Yeah, Netflix break records right now. Well, the king of streaming secures dominance is 2025. Everybody talking about Netflix, guys. Netflix in the spotlight today, guys. In the spotlight. And of course, we catch this trade yesterday before the jump. Before even the jump. The price was around the 868 yesterday. What a nice trade, guys, for Netflix. After having earnings yesterday, we suppress the earnings estimate just by 1% and even the revenue. 10 billion, 10.25 billion. Perfect. What a nice hunt. After the long weekend, good start for this week. Good morning, everybody. 1K Netflix, exactly. Netflix haram. Oh man. If you don't want to watch, no problem. Investing is not haram, man. If you think about it, man, everything is haram. Everything. If you try to be strict, everything haram. Even my friend, this Arabic friend, he said eating fat is haram. I told them everything is what you eat right now is full of fat, so we all going to hell. Oh man. Anyway, guys, let's get right to it. We have a huge day ahead of us. For people who don't speak Arabic, haram is mean sin or blasphemy. If you don't know what's mean haram, and some of Arabic friends here said Netflix is haram. It depends on what you're watching. So even laptop, even internet is haram because there is a porn website. So it depends on how you use it. The same a car, it could be haram if you run people through, you crash to house or you kill a little baby, the car will be haram. Everything, man, even the knife inside your kitchen. It's always perspective, man. NNE, I will check it, man. I will check NNE for you, brother. For NNE jumped, yeah, yesterday, but let's see, yeah, 30%. I don't like it that much, man, because the support is a bit far around the 22.35 and the resistance is getting near around the 37. We are stranded in the middle, so it's not my cup of tea for now. We got ASST still pulling back toward the 110. VATE, guys, this one was a really good day trade for our hunters. We did this chart analysis update for our hunters for entry around the $8.81. And of course, we closed this trade around $1.04. No, around 9.91. Yes, 9.91. We closed this trade. We went until the $10. Anyway, what a great hunt yesterday for VATE and of course for Netflix. We got really good two trade, one day trade and one swing trade for our members on Discord and Patreon. BLBX. BLBX. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. Yes, this one is coming up pretty strong. Before the open, we got a seller, big seller around the $4. Yeah, this one I don't like that much, man. I don't like the trend that much. It is a bit risky. We have a lot of back holders for BLBX. So I'm gonna keep it on the list just in case here with ASST. Lunar is pulling back. TPET energy stock with Hausa pulling back. Hausa, guys, is selling off right now before the open. Be careful, Hausa is selling off. We have a huge flush here for Hausa. No good. Hausa, no good now. DJT still pulling back toward the 32. Anyway, let's see. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla did the great yesterday for reversal here from the 404. Got shorted around the 425. So Tesla still looking all right. We have mixed signals with crypto stocks like Coinbase went down, went up, went down. So I'm not touching Coinbase or right now. They are unpredictable. SMCI looking way better here. We got breakout 5% in the pre-market. Not bad for today. But again, I don't have an entry for it because we might have a fake out here. TSM is still jumping. Yeah, TSM, it could be on the green side today because yesterday we reversed. Watching SM, TCM, it could be good for a trade for today. Yeah, looking perfect here. Anyway, so let us go to Netflix. Johnson and Johnson going down, guys. This one could be good for today to buy the dip. even though we have green earnings, but it dipped 3%. Interactive Broker have earnings as well, did really great today. SST, let us see what's going on here in the pre-market. Okay, BLBX number one. So we only got two guys, only two stocks, BLBX and ASST. The rest is not my cup of tea. Yeah, the rest it is sleeping. Let's see what's going on here. IPA, TEM, we got the Visa, the stock. No, it depends on the industry and field. Yeah, man. But if you think about it, about Netflix, you say not good. It depends on what you're watching. If you're watching just documentary, so it depends on how you use it. Everything can be really bad if you use it incorrectly. Even food, if you eat too much, you're gonna kill yourself. So then you tell me selling food is haram because if you eat a lot of sugar, you're gonna kill yourself or be a diabetic or whatever. So yeah, it depends on how you use the thing. It's defined the thing it will be bad or wrong. But yeah, there's some industry really bad, like like porn industry, or some people will say it's not bad because it relieves stress for a lot of people. So it depends on how you look at it, you know. So if you are open-minded, yeah, everything is good. And if you are on the negative side, everything is bad. NECH, I don't like this stock that much, man. That's why I took it from the list. Ahmed, if you hear me, NECH, I don't like it. You know, guys, some stocks I just see the chart and I don't like them from the first glance. Same with people, you know, some people you can explain it. Like you see someone is like their energy, I don't know, their face is doesn't fit. It's like there's a lot of tension. The same with stocks. Sometimes I can explain it. Some stocks is doesn't fit my strategy, or even the chart look not beautiful for me to trade. Uh, okay, Ahmed said the NCAH is squeezing right now. I put it here. No, it's just pulling back, not squeezing, man. We were watching this one in pre-market. I put it on the maybe list here. Let's see. Netflix still here. QUBT, I'm gonna put it there. TBET is still here. Lunar, VATE. Okay, so BLBX looking ready to squeeze here. Yeah, BLBX is number one, should be. IPA, this one, let's see if it's squeezing. Yeah, 47%, but it's not good, man. It pumped and dumped and now reversing again. So those kind of trade I don't trust that much. Yeah, it's heavily shorted. This mean it's really heavily shorted. So I'm gonna keep it just in case if we broke the $1 mark again, because we got yeah, a bit of psychological level around the $1 for IPA. Dexter, you see, you told me about HSDT yesterday. It was good that you asked me. You were planning to hold it overnight. You see, guys, this is a really good discussion with my one of our members, Dexter. He asked me about holding HSDT, and we reply, you can't even, he said, I want to manage it overnight. And it's impossible because overnight the market will be closed, and then the next day we said we might have some bad news and we might gap down. And HSDT actually gave a gap down, and yeah, If he held, he could have lost a lot of money and his account is wiped out. But yeah, that's why Dexter, was a really good example for not holding those stocks overnight. Yeah, sound is really volatile. I will check it. RZLV, we got plug, RVSN. Let's see sound if it is good now. The American one, I think you say SOUN, yes, not sound. SOUN, SoundHound, yes. So SoundHound yesterday did 21%. If it got a support around the 1527. Yeah, 1527 should be a really good level. Now is kind of reversing. This one could be good. Let's see where we went to. Yeah, we hit the 17. Now it's pulling back. So we have to break the 17 again. For this one, I don't trust it that much. The support is good over the 1522. So if we have the 1522, there's a chance for another try to break the 1785. But for now, the seller just add their position just there around the 1680 instead. Yeah, SOUN, not bad. So I'm gonna keep it on the maybe list, but not for today. What's going on with plug, guys? Why you ask me about plug? Are we doing all right for plug? Yeah, 3%. Yeah, plug. Yeah, did 9% down. Wow, we have a huge pullback yesterday. Yeah, huge pullback for blocks. So it is a bit weak right now. However, it's getting near a nice bottom, for my opinion, over the 2014. So there's a chance for a reversal. That's why you asked me, I think, about this. Let's see blog on the big picture. Yeah, it could dip some more. Just over the $1. So I don't trust it because the fundamental is not looking good after many bad earnings. So I don't trust the plug that much to trade and hold overnight. It is risky play, but high risk, high reward, because if we reverse here, we could reverse almost 50% or more. But yeah, I'm not trading this one. Good morning, Focal. Tesla, yeah, Tesla did really great yesterday. One of our elite members asked us about this yesterday. Jason asked me about Tesla because he were having a big position yesterday. He went really big. And of course, we suggest to exit for Tesla just around 424.95 after buying the dip around the 404. Of course, Tesla did really good, hit our resistance yesterday before the close, or yeah, right at the close. We tested our resistance and went down again, you see. So it was really good to enter, exit, and now waiting for another dip because this is unusual selling pressure, guys, that happened yesterday at the market open. Big seller just came here for Tesla that drove the price down almost 6%. So I'm waiting for another dip for Tesla for entry. SMCI is the strongest one on the list here. 5% in the pre-market. Netflix, of course, hitting the 1,000 mark. As a reminder, guys, we did this alert before this jump, before the earnings, before the market closed by 30 minutes about Netflix. Netflix, we're still holding this trade. We might close it at the market open. If we held the 980, we could hold it for some more. Otherwise, I'm going to close it at the market open for this trade. It was really good from yesterday. Yeah, you see a huge jump, huge, fantastic jump for Netflix. Okay, guys, if you're wondering how to join and have access to our swing trade like Netflix that we did yesterday, you can head toward our Patreon, and of course, you could head toward on Patreon and choose either the King or the Elite in order to have the access to the swing alert, early live streaming, as you can see here, around 7 a.m. Eastern Time, and one-on-one meeting if you want or need one, and watch list that we do daily. For each day, we do those request stocks and watch lists stocks for today. Day trade and swing trade. We do day trade and swing trade, both of them at the same time. How everybody doing, guys? Hit the like button on the way, and Netflix is the one. Netflix is the one for today. What a perfect trade was. Huge earnings hitting the 1K. So if all eyes on Netflix, guys, for today. So Netflix, I'm waiting for the market open to exit. The entry was from yesterday here. The best entry for Netflix, as we discussed yesterday, was near the support. Now is a bit dangerous for entry for Netflix, guys. If you didn't enter with us yesterday, it would be a bit dangerous to buy now because we anticipate a pullback. Good morning, everybody. So we got 4 minutes left at the market open. Let us bring our disclaimer before the market open, guys. Disclaimer before the market open. Let us discuss our disclaimer for today. Okay, so let me bring our disclaimer for today because the market is about to open at any second. Yeah, a few minutes I think left the bell. So remember, guys, we are not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. We always go live every day around 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And earlier on our Discord, of course, here around 7 a.m. Eastern Time. So join us at the link in comment section below to our Patreon and Discord. And of course, once you join Patreon, you have access to our Discord, access to our swing trade that we did yesterday for Netflix. What a huge earning, guys, jumping over 1000K per shares. And of course, we have a good entry from yesterday, average price around 868, of course, here. Now it is consolidating here. So we might have a huge flush at the market open. So be careful for Netflix. I'm watching the 980.92 support. If we held it as me, we continue up. 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left at the market open. Let's get right to it. Watch out. We got a huge day. Netflix is the strongest stock for today for the swing trade, of course, because we got massive earnings. A new high around the 1K, and everybody anticipating now the reverse split. We might have a reverse split, guys, for Netflix because like Tesla. and many stock that hit the 1K usually do that. They get a split, not reverse split, but the split, yes. Yeah, we expect a pullback for Netflix, guys. We expect a pullback. The best pullback should be around 955, for my opinion. Okay, let's get right to it. The market is open. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to the hunt. Netflix is pulling back. Oh man, what's going on? Yeah, I might close Netflix now. 13% is good. So I'm taking my profit on Netflix because I anticipate a pullback around the 955. If we broke this support, it means we're gonna go toward the 955 for Netflix. Johnson & Johnson looking great. Tesla still holding. SMCI pulling back. Let's see. G&G, Tesla, SMCI. Okay, Netflix is going toward the 955, guys. We might have a reversal there. BLBX didn't break the resistance, so it's going down. ASST is reversing now. Lunar is reversing. TPET is not doing anything here. Hausa, it is game over. IPA looking interesting. Yeah, Netflix is doing nice for a pullback. SMCI want to break out. Tesla doing all right here. We got unusual buyer for Tesla. We want another dip for Netflix. Yeah, ASST moving, guys. We've got the resistance around the 150 is coming up. Tesla is pulling back a bit. Was a quick pump here. Interactive broker guys jumped after good earnings, but the problem is the volume is really light. Okay, ASST is moving now. I'm gonna adjust the resistance for it around this level, the 180. Netflix is reversing. I was wishing for the price to go around the 955, but it reversed early. I think FOMO buying triggered this reversal for Netflix. CDU, any good reversing? Thanks. Let's see. It's not on my list, it mean it's not good anymore. Yeah, it's not good anymore. Game over. Hear me, brother. Stay away from CDO. Rock bottom and more good news 2 hours ago. Expected message. Okay. BLBX, no good. ASST reversed perfectly. VATE from yesterday, hunt guys. This one was good from yesterday. We already took profit around the 10, but now is light on volume and is pulling back down. So I'm gonna take it from the list. What else is doing all right? This one is game over, I think. So yeah, we got ASST. Tesla, we have mixed signals here for Tesla. For Tesla, I don't trust the pullback and resistance here. I don't trust it. So I can't trade Tesla now. We need more data. Okay, Johnson & Johnson going down 3%. It would be really good if we hit the 135. Good afternoon, John. Okay, let's see. We got Foxo. Let's see this one very quick. Yeah, 46% jumping. We got support for it now around the 26. Resistant to break for this one is getting near around the 36. After that, we have the 50 cent as a target. So Foxo, I'm gonna keep it here on the list. What else? RZLV. RZLV. Let's see. 13%, no good. The chart is not good. You are not talking, bro. I'm trading, man. I'm looking for the chart. I'm looking for opportunity. I can't talk every second because once you talk, you can't focus. It's really hard to do both. I'm not a woman. What else we got? POAI. POAI, yeah, jumping, but it is risky play. Light and volume, the same. What a crazy day, man. Yeah, folks, so we have double bottom here around the 26. ASST still holding. Johnson getting near the bottom, guys. SMCI pulling back. Netflix is about to pull back. Netflix. Okay, Johnson could be good for a dip, guys. It could be good for a dip. Johnson. We have to be patient for Johnson. Oh, blah. What's going on, everybody? Netflix want to correct down. We have a big seller, guys, came just around the 988. We have a bit red day for cryptos, but Bitcoin doing phenomenal here. ASST still jumping, is getting near the resistance. Yeah, ASST guys getting near a resistance here. Was a good play for today as well for ASST. Not bad for today. We got almost 25% on this dip. Kazi made a good profit on Nvidia. Nice. Is Nvidia moving? Let's see. Yeah, nice jump for Nvidia, man. What a nice jump for Nvidia. It's going to all-time high around the 153, I think. Yeah, yes, sir. We got some level to hit pretty soon. Yeah, Nvidia doing pretty good for today. I'm gonna put it with Netflix. SMCI pulling back big for today. Tesla, unusual buying pressure and selling pressure at the same time. So yeah, ASST is the one that looking pretty good still. It's getting near a resistance though right now. Dots jumping 30%. Are we halted, guys, for dots? Let's see. Are we halted? Yes. DATS, guys, is halted right now with BGM. Let's see BGM if it is good. No, it's dead. This one is technically dead. So guys, that's I'm gonna put it on the list for today because it is active. 30% on light volume. Look at that. It was pumping and dumping since the last jump beginning of this year. You see here, a huge jump on the 10th of January, then a huge jump on 16th, and then a huge jump on 22. Each week we got a jump, each week. Jump, then consolidating down, jump, consolidating down. So this time we got a level to go to around the 735. If we want to continue this majestic jump, we need to hold the line over the 5. And ASST is better to take profit here because yeah, it reversed big, so it's getting weaker here after this major jump. Okay, Johnson Johnson tried to break the 988, which is the current resistance. DATS halted around the 584. SGBX could be good for later. I will check. Kazi. Okay, make sure, man, make sure to tune in. Otherwise, you're gonna miss good opportunities, man. Let's check SGBX very quick if it's good. Yeah, is dead for now, man. I don't care, man, if there's news coming up or something. I can't trade the stock like this. If the stock doesn't support my technical, doesn't care about the news, I don't care. I need the technical to be good. Here, the it is okay because it's still holding over this level support 77, but we are consolidating with light volume here. Yeah, it's waiting for a news to jump again. So I'm gonna keep it on the other list, on the waiting list. For now, we got ASST, DOTS, which halted up, and BLBX. And Lunar started to move again. Lunar, we might have a new high for today. Johnson & Johnson going down after good earnings. Netflix trying to have a new high. Lunar. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button, support the channel. IBA to the moon. Someone says IBA to the moon. Are we mooning for IBA? I was watching this one earlier. Yeah, it reversed perfectly. So I'm gonna put IBA down with BLBX and Lunar. DOTS is going down now after the haltation. I'm gonna put just resistance here around the 623. Is looking good, guys. DOTS is still looking good for another jump. It could go really good for today if we held the $5, of course. This one, guys, yeah, is moving, but I don't trust it because the support is not clear. The only good support is the 58. Current resistance is coming up around the $1.05. Dots is pulling back, of course. STFS, Star Flash. STFS, 85% down. I think this is the top loser. Let's see, we got requests from our elite member here. BLBX, any good? BLBX it will be good if we held the 266. If we broke this current support, yeah, will be not good. And the confirmation to squeeze is once we break the $3.74. So far, so good. There's a chance for a reversal right now. If we reverse, the current resistance and profit taking should be around the $3.22. If we broke the 266, not good. Game over. So yeah, still on. Let's see the top gainers and the top losers. BLBX, NTRB. Top loser, of course, is STFS, Star Fashion Culture. After that, HEBA, HUPC, Hausa. Wow, 85%, man. Are we having some news? Nope, no news. Anyway, BLBX is reversing right now. So I got earnings next week. We're gonna cover it on our Discord later for precise entry and exit, like what we did yesterday for Netflix. What a nice hunt for Netflix for a swing trade, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take this from the list. Lunar, still. Johnson & Johnson still going down. Tesla still holding. Netflix is going. I can't trade Netflix here, man. I need Netflix to go back down, guys, to buy it again. Some of you ask about SMCI, which is untradeable right now for me. Yeah, it jumped up and down really quick. So we got undecision on SMCI. The same with Tesla. This is the worst thing that I don't like, a stock that have no decision. You know, I really don't like this. Even for relationships, if the girl doesn't know what she wants, this is really big turn off. Or even most men right now, they don't know what they want, or most human being. And this is kind of if you are if you're a person and you don't know what you want in life, you can't like be my friend, you have to be like exactly knowing what you want and go for it. Otherwise, you're gonna miss a lot of fun in life by undeciding. BLBX, what a nice reversal, guys. A really good reversal here. Zoconvet. He's asked about what I trade without leverage. Hmm. Most my trade is without leverage. And practice, man. Practice make perfect. You have to practice and, of course, try and error, like the scientific method. Like you, it's like you asking Einstein how he came up with his theory of the relativity. If you ask him, he will never answer you precisely because it came from his subconscious mind, deep in his brain. Sometimes discovery, you can't actually pinpoint where did you find your breakthrough. Is some people and philosophers say like the big truth came up not from you but from higher intelligence or God or universe. Those where the big discovery come from. This is in trading or in coming up with good idea or good strategy in trading or the next Apple or McDonald's or whatever big companies. They always have this a lot of things come up at the right time in order to come up with the ideas, not one thing. Wow, BLBX, what a nice reversal, guys, here. 266 was perfect reversal. Look at that. We did 28%. Knight Rider, BLBX. If you already entered, make sure to take profit right now, man. Because now we gonna get rejected. 30% reversal. Not bad, man. ASST pullback, of course. This is a major resistance zone, 181. Let's check if we got something else. Yeah, the ATS pullback, guys, before even the 623. So it's not my cup of tea anymore. Yeah, BLBX still. Wow, SMCI, man, is moving like there's no tomorrow. But again, there is no entry for me here for SMCI. It's really tempting to enter on SMCI, but I don't have confidence to trade it at the moment. Yeah, I don't have confidence to trade this one. ACON, John asked about ACON, everybody. Let's check this one out. If there is an entry for us. ACON. Booyah. Wow, I think this one, yeah, yesterday dumped how much? Wow, dumped big time on Tuesday. We dumped almost, wow, almost 80%. So now there's a chance for a reversal. Yeah, there's a chance for a reversal. Exactly. There's a chance for a reversal for this one. If we just broke that level around the 5. Yeah, around the 5 cents. Let's see how much we can do if we reverse. Yeah, it could reverse big time. But it is a bit rare for some stock to reverse like this big, so I don't trust it to go toward the 9 cent or 10 cent. Maybe it's around the 5 cent and 6 cents for now. Current support is around 4 cent, because if we broke the 35, 0.35 is mean we're gonna flush down. If we held over 0.35, yeah, there's a chance for a breakout from this white line and go toward the 5 cent first. So this is a resistance and profit taken, and then the 6. This is for ACON, but it's not good to trade for now. BLBX is the strongest stock for now, for my opinion. From my humble opinion. POAI. POAI. 59%. Yeah, kind of looking all right. Let's see. PAOI. Yeah, it broke from this resistance, the 180. Now it's getting near the $2.18. Yeah, it look all right. But yeah, it's kind of overextended now. If it's held over the 181 would be perfect. Yeah, this one looking really great, yes. Law and Order, this one, yeah, really good, man. Watch out for the 2.24 because this is the resistance right now. Until or INTC. Yeah, is moving We have a huge drop last earnings. That's why never recovered for INTC, almost 40%. So now try to recover again. We'll see if we're gonna break the 23 this time. Yeah, INTC or Intel looking all right here. Yeah, semiconductors have a comeback story. Netflix is still trying. Tesla, nothing. Yeah, POAI, it is testing the resistance now. So this is the strongest one. Let's see why it's jumping. Yeah, POAI 6 days ago. We have announcement for planned European launch for the treatment for the tumor. Okay, pharmaceutical company in oncology. Okay, healthcare sector. That's why it's jumping. POAI, this company coming to Europe with their new treatment for cancer. Okay, that's why it's jumping, guys. This one have a huge news. Humongous news. That's why it's jumping right now. Trying, POAI trying to break the 2026. You see, we have a wick here. Yeah, short adding right now. So what's going on with the market? Let's see the halted stock again. We got TNMG and SGLY. We got two halted stock. Let's see if they are any good. SGLY. Okay. Oh God, what's the so TNMG SGLY. Nope, both of them I think are dead. And that one, let's see. We have this one, that one, NTRB maybe. TRB. Yeah, NTRB. No. So yeah, we only got wow, NVIDIA INTC is moving perfectly here. Habib, yeah, it's too late, man. It's a bit risky now because it's testing the resistance. Yeah, INTC, it look interesting, guys. I'm interested in INTC now. INTC. But why the slippage is really big? So I'm gonna pass. Have a huge slippage. INTC is a bit risky here. Yeah, still trying. So we only have BOAI. What now is getting near a resistance, so there's time for a pullback. Yeah, time for a pullback for this one. What a day, man. Netflix was really good from yesterday, guys. We discussed this one yesterday for our King and Elite members. For Netflix, once the price was around the 868, and now is tested the 1000 and pulled back after great earnings. And the other one we discussed was ASST in the pre-market early. We suggest to exit here around the 170. And now we never broke this level and we never recovered after that. So for now, we got conductors coming up strong. The only one for the unicorn is POAI, the health sector stock, which is focusing on treatment of cancer. So that's why we got a new treatment coming up in Europe. Huge for this company. The volume is not bad, 23 million. Trying again, PAOI, trying again right now to break. Yeah, we're squeezing. POAI squeezing again and getting shorted at the same time. Be careful, this one we have a fake out, guys. This is a fake out. Yeah, a fake out really quick. Fake out. POAI, no good now. It tried to break, but we got a big seller. We have a bit of weakness for the market, guys. A bit of weakness. We don't have a continuation right now. What a day, man. What a day. Okay, guys, this is it for now. Thank you for watching. And of course, we're going to do update again for our hunters and pitcher on Discord. Stay tuned for another day trade and swing trade. If we have a good setup like yesterday for VATE and for Netflix, I'm gonna do the same for today for our hunters. So stay tuned for a major update later on. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow, the same time, around 9 a.m. Eastern time. If you have any question, leave it down below. And of course, see you in a bit on our Hunter channel, Discord and Patreon to continue to trade and the rest of the day. Thank you for watching, guys. See you.